Would you like to learn English fast and speak English fluently like a native speaker? So you need to know different kinds of verbs. In this video, we are learning 50 common verbs in English. Let's get started. The first one is eat. What is the past form? Ate. And past participle is eaten. Now, I eat breakfast every day. I eat breakfast every day. Or I eat breakfast every morning. The next is drink. Drank. Drunk. Now, we drink coffee every morning. We drink coffee every morning. Number 3, leave. Left. Left. I left work at 5 p.m. When do you leave work? Or when did you leave work? I left work at 5 p.m. Number 4 is start. Start. The past form is started. Started or started. And started. Start, 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 started, started. For example, I start work at 5 p.m. every day. Number 5, stop. The past form is stopped. And past participle is stopped. So, stop, stopped, stopped. Stop there and don't move. Stop there and don't move. The next verb is hit. The past form is hit and the next is hit. What is the example? Hit the ball as hard as you can. Hit the ball as hard as you can. The next one is clean. Clean, cleaned, and cleaned. Easy. What is the example? Did you clean the house today? See, did you or did you? Did you? Did you? Did you? Did you clean the house today? Did you clean the house today? The next is read. The past form is read and read. Read, read, read. Example, I read it in the newspaper today. I read it in the newspaper today. Number 9 is teach. Teach. The past form is taught and the past participle is taught. Teach, taught, taught. See, I've taught English for 10 years. I've or I have. I have taught English for 10 years. Learn. Learn. Learned. Learned. How did you learn English? How did you learn English? Understand. Understood. Understood. Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? The next one is write. Write. Wrote. And what is the next? Written. Very nice. So, I've written 7 books so far. I've written 7 books so far. 13. Buy. Bought. Bought. I bought a new phone last week. I bought a new phone last week. Simple. Use, used, and used. Easy. Can I use your phone, please? Can I use your phone, please? Number 15. Call. Called. Called. She has forgotten to call me. She has forgotten to call me. Sell, sold, and sold. Why did you sell your car? Why did you sell your car? The next one is wait, wait. Waited and waited. That's it. I waited for him so long. I waited for him so long. Number 18 is speak. Speak. Spoke and you know that. Spoken. Very good. Who are you speaking with? Who are you speaking with? The next one is say. Said and said. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? Number 20 is tell. Told. Told. Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you that? Save. Saved. Saved. How much money did you save? How much money did you save? 22. Destroy. Destroyed and destroyed. They've destroyed the jungle. They've or they have destroyed the jungle. Think. Thought. Thought. That's it. Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever thought about it? Find. Found and found. I couldn't find what I had lost. I couldn't find what I had lost. Number 25 is ask. Asked. Asked. I shouldn't have asked him. I shouldn't have asked him. The next one is need. Need. Needed. Needed. I don't need your attention. I don't need your attention. 27. Try. Tried. Tried. If you fail, try again. If you fail, try again. Work. Worked. worked. Work hard and never give up. Work hard and never give up. Feel, felt, felt. For example, I feel nervous before my exams. I feel nervous before my exams. Look, looked, looked. I couldn't look at his eyes. I couldn't look at his eyes. The next one is look. Again, past is looked and it is look. So it's different. See, you look so different today. You look so different today. It means your appearance, your clothes. You are so different. You look different. Keep, kept, kept. Please keep your room clean. Please keep your room clean. 33 is decide, decided, decided. I've decided to accept this job. I've decided to accept this job. Guess, guessed, guessed. Guess how much I paid for this watch. Guess how much I paid for this watch. Pay, paid, paid. How do you want to pay? How do you want to pay? Have, had, had. Easy. Have you ever had your own business? Have you ever had your own business? The next one is promise. Promised, promised. I promise you it won't happen again. I promise you it won't happen again. The next verb is watch. Watched, watched. What do you usually watch on TV? What do you usually watch on TV? Want, wanted, wanted. Have you ever wanted to get married? Or have you ever wanted to get married? See, saw, seen. I haven't seen him for a while. I haven't seen him for a while. The next one is know, knew, and known. I've known him since my childhood. I've known him since my childhood. What is the next one? It is know again. It's different. It's knew and past participle is known. That's it. Now, do you know anything about it? Do you know anything about it? Mean, meant, meant. What does it mean? What does it mean? 44 is become, became, become. I'd like to become a great teacher. I'd like to become a great teacher. The next one is hear. Heard, heard. I don't hear you. Speak louder. I don't hear you. Speak louder. 46 is listen. Listened, listened. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? 47 is play. Played and played. Easy. Have you ever played tennis? Have you ever played tennis? The next one is run. What is the past? Run. Run. Run, run, run. Can you run as fast as Mike? Can you run as fast as Mike? Walk. Walked. Walked. The baby is just learning to walk. The baby is just learning to walk. Move. Moved. Moved. Don't move. Stay perfectly still. Don't move. Stay perfectly still.